Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Here is biochemist Hemant Ali Maimun and you are watching SH Biochemist Coaching Center. Today we are going to discuss about the concept, explanation and scope of the biochemistry. If you are watching first time my YouTube channel, kindly first of all subscribe and press on the bell icon for the new updates. So let's start. The concept of biochemistry. The concept of biochemistry was given by the Carl Alexander in 20th century, so he is called father of biochemistry. Biochemistry is also called the chemistry of life. It means in biochemistry we study about the chemicals, compounds or molecules or elements which are associated to the life, and it serves as a bridge between biology and chemistry. It means in biochemistry we can study of the biology and chemistry. Biochemistry also provides the information of biochemicals or chemicals which give rise to the life. In biochemistry we study of those chemicals by which life exists. Chemistry is a hybrid branch of chemistry which deals with the study of chemical process in living organisms. It also tells us about the chemical processes which are occurring in the living organisms. Biochemistry involves in the study of structure, composition, functions and chemical reactions of the cellular components such as carbohydrate, protein, lipid and nucleic acids. In biochemistry, we study about the structures of components and composition, that what is the composition of those molecules, that means from which atoms, elements or components are they are made up of, and what are the functions of those molecules and in which chemical reactions they take part. And Europeans said that the biochemistry is most important branch of chemistry which help us to discovery of the drugs, and it tells us the benefits or advantages of the those drugs, and it helps in the understanding the biochemicals changing and physiological changes in the body. Biochemistry helps to the doctors to understand the problems related to the biomolecules during the treatments. Biomolecule, it means carbohydrate, protein and lipid and nucleic acid. Biochemistry defines the following terms: origin of the substances, that means from where the substances are originated. Formation of substances, that means from which component those substances are made up of. Deficiency of substances, and the symptoms produced in a system due to the deficiency of substances. So dear student, this was about the concept and explanation of the biochemistry. Now we discuss about the scope of biochemistry. Scope, that means how biochemistry is beneficial for us. What will it give us in the future? What will we achieve in the future, and what will it make us in the future? So there are so many fields are opened in the Pakistan for the biochemists. Some of them described below: microbiology institutes in major universities in Pakistan. That means you can study or you can teaching in the microbiology institutions of Pakistan, and you may also teaching in the medical universities and colleges, and you may work in the pharmacy industries, and you may also work in the private physiological laboratories of Pakistan. Drugs and testing laboratories, you may work as a biochemist, and you may work or you may research in the laboratories or institutions of science. So dear student, this was about the concept, explanation and scope of the biochemistry. I hope you enjoyed and you understand this lecture. So kindly subscribe and press on the bell icon for new updates, and kindly Share it with your friends. Khuda Hafiz, Wassalam.